Hello, everybody. Welcome to this month's marketing message. Peter Brissett here, Digital Marketing Dude, talking this month about email marketing and kind of like this idea of 3 tips. So this is kind of my kick right now with 3 tips in talking about marketing emails. So let me just share my screen here so we can look at this. So we're talking email marketing. All right, 3 quick tips for you. The first tip: email is still an effective tool for marketing. Probably the biggest question you have, should we even be using email as a part of our marketing? And the answer is yes. It's still the #1 most used means of communication, in particular for business-related transactions and for people engaging in communication. So still an effective tool. Are there other tools that you could think about and possibly see if you could work into the mix? Absolutely. More and more people are using communication via social media platforms and those chat systems. But ultimately, your goal should always be to get people on your email list. I talk often about the 2 things, really 3 things that you own. One, you own your messaging, your brand, and who you are and what you do. Number 2, you own your website. So you should always make sure that that's up to date. And then number 3, you own that email list. You own that, so it's worth building that list. So whatever other marketing you're doing, you should be moving people over to your email list so you have some means of communication with them that you want. The second tip is that you must have a plan. So you must really think about, how am I going to use this to communicate? Is it in a regular monthly newsletter to existing clients? How am I getting prospects and how am I going to communicate with them? How can I use this as a productivity tool to actually get more done in my day? How can we use it effectively with our teams? There's so many aspects to how we can use email and being able to actually automate and systemize elements of the business, in particular with marketing, client onboarding, and even new staff onboarding. Email can be an effective tool to help you accomplish that. And then the third tip is choosing the right tool. So you really have to choose the right platform that's going to be right for you. My personal favorite at this moment in time, and has been for a little while now, is ActiveCampaign. So it's an email marketing tool, it's an email automation tool. It's also got a contact manager, so a CRM system in it as well. It's a sales tool. It does an awful lot, and it's very reasonably priced and works with many other systems out there. But it doesn't matter which tool you use. So find the tool that you want to use. If you're just getting started and you need something to pick from, MailChimp is free for up to 2,000 contacts. And it works with just about everything, and it can be an effective tool as anything else. So those are my 3 tips that I want to share with you here this month on email marketing. Hope you found that useful. Please like, comment, and share. Sharing is caring. And we'll look forward to next month's marketing message. Have a great month.